Hey guys, what is up? This is Dr. Quad, and today I got something pretty special to review, the Maple Wireless Mjolnir Pro. The most important aspect of this that Maple Wireless has been telling me about, that this has an almost analog-like drop-off, meaning that when you start losing signal, it doesn't just drop off really fast like a cliff, like iFlight Crystal does. Now, Maple Wireless told me that this was geared towards filmmakers because of its slow drop-off and fantastic connection, but I actually beg to differ. I think everyone is gonna want this because the form factor is great for travel, and yet the power is as good, if not better, than the Mjolnir. Because the drop-off is gradual, it's almost analog-like. That is something truly special, but let's see for ourselves. Let's get outside right now and test this bad boy. All right guys, we are outside. It's absolutely beautiful, and let's go. We got their thing to cool the air unit. Now let's start walking.
Take the blue pill, take the red pill, take the blue pill. Take the red pill, take the blue pill, take the red pill, take the blue pill. Take the red pill, take the blue pill, take the red pill, take the blue pill. You take the red pill, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, 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 take the red. You stay in Wonderland. You stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Goes, 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 goes. Take the blue pill, take the red pill, take the blue pill. Take the red pill, take the blue pill, take the red pill, take the blue pill. Take the red pill, take the blue pill, take the red pill, take the blue pill. Take the red pill, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. take the blue pill, take the red pill, 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 take the.
This is actually a pre-production, so this is not going to be the final color, and probably there's going to be some other features, but I would say that the design of it is going to be the final design, and I think they've done a fantastic job at providing the power and connection that comes with the Mjolnir, but getting it into a form factor that's going to fit into your backpack and not be super encumbersome, which is what the problem was with the first Mjolnir. All my professional pilots use the Mjolnir because, simply put, when you're putting up a bird in the air that's 8 inches prop diameter, you're going to have a serious problem. If it loses connections, it could potentially put people's lives at risk, so you'll put up with the horrible form factor. But now you just have the best of both worlds, because I mean, that's really what the iFlight Crystal was. It was a great form factor, and it was better than stock DJI antennas. I would say though that this is not good. I have these come loose all the time. If you're not paying attention, you kind of just have to take them off and, you know, put them in your backpack that way, and that's kind of a pain in the arse, because isn't that why we wanted this thing in the first place, that we didn't have to take off those DJI stock antennas every time we pack it up? But that's actually completely all solved by Maple Wireless. And you can see here they have these fantastic little, I guess they're called like antenna grommets, and they protect from over tightening, so you can get a really tight fit without, you know, worrying about pulling out that coaxial cable. And that actually isn't provided by iFlight. These just kind of go in there, and if you over tighten this, or if you bump this just in the wrong way, that's going to break that very expensive pair of goggles you have. I actually bought these from Maple Wireless because I guess this is the main takeaway. Maple Wireless is a professional antenna company, so they're the ones who really take the time and the care and the love into making sure that their products are fantastic. So you can see here, I actually use these on the iFlight Crystal to improve the performance and also the longevity of the product. When it comes down to it, brand loyalty, I guess that's the really question here. Am I biased? Yeah, I am. You know why? Because I've been buying and using Maple Wireless products long before they sent me anything for free. And that just comes down to, yes, I'm loyal to Maple Wireless because their philosophy of hard work, quality products, and next level connection is something I connect with myself. I think it's a great philosophy, and I want more companies to be like Maple Wireless. iFlight is, it's a company, you know, they're gonna give you the minimum product that they can get away with and still have you buy it. Their marketing is really good, but they don't take time and care into the tiny little details like Maple Wireless does. And so I think that's a really big factor in what you're gonna do with your money. And when it comes down to it, now we have the hard data. The Maple Wireless Mjolnir Pro absolutely smashes the iFlight Crystal out of the park, and soon I'll be testing it with other faceplates, but let's just be honest, we know the result. This is a professional antenna company, and they have made a professional product for everyone who wants to be using the highest quality. All right guys, this is Dr. Quads signing out.